As una dey see, yana right inside PNB. They say one motor can go bang one tank. So people them be there where be they collect fuel na gun the sponge fuel as the tank catch fire and from there all the filling stations they waiting at PNB. They all on catch fire. So now they see the fire right now. Everywhere is fire. And they right inside PNB by Chotram gates. As now they see all the houses and at the area. And they see the smoke, the fire. But really Chotram enough catch fire it. As now they get a sound. Now the explosion of the fuel, now the tank and the filling stations them now in the happy soon. So as soon as they see close here, the gutter that the fuel we don't drain at the gutter. As soon as they see everywhere closer to NP na PNB. As soon as they see everywhere is fire right now, right inside PNB, Wellington. Oh my God.